Hello, this is John with Nari Auctions, and here we have the Stihl 011AV chainsaw. This chainsaw does work, but it seems like it fouls plugs pretty regularly. I think we figured out why. It looks like the check valve is missing for the fuel tank breather line, so it's just kind of splashing fuel up into the air filter and making it run rich, basically. So it looks like it needs a new check valve and fuel breather line. But we'll see if we can get her fired up and give you a little preview of what it does. So you can hear she runs. Again, I think it's just running rich because it's getting a little extra fuel splashing up into the air cleaner.